Hey everybody, it's Joe Bodiford here with Elex Legal Publishers, and I have got for you today the thing that you cannot live without when you go in the courtroom. It's the ultimate evidentiary objection and evidence foundations guide. This is it. What we've done with this 4-panel, simple little folder, durable paper, 3-hole punch for your trial notebook guide is that we have taken our famous evidentiary objections that are usually on the back of our evidence codes. We move them to the front. If you zoom in there, you can see that we've also broken it down for when to use the objections for opposing counsel, for the witness, or for the substance. Opposing counsel's got a little skull and crossbones there, because all skull and crossbones are your opposing counsel's. And we've got the guide down the side as to when and where to use what. Now, when you go to the inside, this is when the rest of the magic happens. We have the predicates for everything that you're going to need when you're trying to deal with evidence in the courtroom. First and foremost, we've got impeaching and refreshing, how to do a proper impeachment, how to, over here we got all the different types of impeachment, including the tricky prior convictions. You got to know these. How to do recorded recollection, when to refresh recollection, and the difference, because a lot of you don't know the difference, but when you buy my guide, you'll know the difference. We also have a brand new mnemonic down here. Remember BARF from law school? Well, now we're going to ask, does the evidence hop the bar? And knowing that, you'll be able to go through the authentication process when you're looking at making objections or trying to get in evidence. More magic on this side. The general procedure for putting in any piece of evidence. I'm going to show you from the top how to pre-mark your exhibits all the way down to reviewing the exhibits before they go back with the jury. Then tangible evidence, copies, photographs, videos, handwriting, voice identification, chain of custody. On the back, we've got business records, summaries, social media, how to get your web pages and your chats and texts and your Instagrams, and demonstrative evidence versus visual aids. It's all right here. There's no other product like this on the market. You can imagine sliding that into your trial notebook. Doesn't take any time, it doesn't or any room. It'll save you a ton of time. $20. It's going to be the best investment in your courtroom skills and advocacy that you ever made. So visit us at www.elexpublishers on the net and order a bunch. Take care. Thanks.